Hello everyone, I am Murtaza and today we will discuss about the basics of HACCP. Basically, HACCP is the Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point. We will study in these slides about the objectives regarding the need of the HACCP, benefits of the HACCP, and principle of the HACCP. And to understand the management and resources requirements, prepare a HACCP plan, to implement a HACCP plan, to document the system, and to ensure the going HACCP compliance. All these objectives will be studied under these slides. Basically, the definition of HACCP and what is HACCP. The Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point System. This is a preventive approach to ensure the food safety management techniques as a proven and structured method for hazard identification and control. We will go through the identification of the hazard and controlling that particular hazard, like chemical, biological, and related to human beings. So first of all, what is hazard? Hazard is a biological, chemical, or physical agent that can cause any health effect. Biological, chemical, and physical agent in condition of food with the potential to cause an adverse health effects in human beings. So this is called hazard. So mainly there are different types of biological hazards, including pathogenic bacteria like Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria. Second one is the parasite and protozoas, flatworms, tapeworms, etc. And the viruses, different viruses like hepatitis A, then molds. These are biological agents that can cause hazard in food products. Now these are the chemical hazards regarding different chemicals like cleaning chemicals, pesticides, ink, adhesives, toxic metals, pest control, refrigerants and fumes or dust. These are such chemical that can cause the hazard in foods. So this is the physical hazard. Physical hazard regarding the people like button, jewelry, drawing, pins, paper, clips, etc. And other one is natural material like bone, nut, shells, seeds. Environment regarding glass, wood chips from tiles, concrete, equipment and pests. These are physical hazards in food production. So the question is why we use HACCP. HACCP is a safety management tool to ensure food safety. This is a limitation of traditional quality control. Uh, traditional resilience is placed. Traditional reliance is placed on random sampling that can ensure the food safety and quality. External pressure regarding consumers, customers, media, and legislation that provide us the way to develop a HACCP plan. So the major food incidents regarding food eggs in country UK, that contamination of the salmonella, this caused the contamination during the process. Food like French fries and food like Coca-Cola. So these are major food incidents in the world. So according to the legislative requirements, proprietor of the food business shall identify any step in the activities of the food business which is critical to ensure the food safety and ensure the adequate safety procedures are identified, implemented and maintained, and reviewed on the basis of the following principles. So the proprietor should identify and control these food safety measures regarding the food products to develop a HACCP plan. So these are legislative requirements like analysis of the potential hazard, Then the identification of the points where from the hazard can occur. Deciding which of the points are identified are critical in as we're talking about the nature of the food safety. Then the identification and implementation of effective control and monitoring procedures. Then we analyze, review the analysis of the food hazard and critical control points and monitoring procedures and document them. So these are legislative requirements. The producer shall adopt the measures commensurate with the characteristic of the food products which they supply. They enable them to be informed of the risk which these products might present and take appropriate action. So this is the legislative requirements. Then we are going to study what is risk. Risk is an estimate of likelihood of the hazard occurring and its potential adverse effect. Risk is the likelihood of hazard occurring. Then we are going to define the control measures. Control measures, any action or activities that can be used to prevent or eliminate a food safety hazard or to reduce it at acceptable level. So after that, we develop a HACCP team that has a multidisciplinary team efforts, team leader. Minimum core HACCP team should ideally consist of quality assurance, technical, operation, production and engineering. Additional expertise should be provided from the research and development, distribution and purchasing and human resource. So the team consists of different kind of subjects regarding in the food production and engineering and related to distribution, development and human resource. The prerequisite programs is a planned prerequisite program will effectively design out generalized hazard that apply to the whole operation, leaving HACCP to deal with specific product process hazard. So regarding the prerequisite program are normally system in their own right and can be classified as the following: quality assurance, quality management systems, good manufacturing systems, personal trainings, preventive maintenance, calibration, pest control, supplier quality assurance and traceability. So these are prerequisite programs. So these are the basics of HACCP. In next video we will study how to apply or how to implement or how to develop a HACCP plan. So keep watching this channel and like this video. Thank you very much.